Hello, welcome to Harper. My name is Jeremy. Harper is a 7th floor co-ed building and is co-ed by floor. And I'll start off by showing you guys the game room here. So if you guys want to follow me in here. This is the Wyckoff game room. And as you can see here, there's plenty of televisions on all the walls. And it's a great place for students to hang out, play video games, or even study as well. So if you want to take a peek around, got a foosball table, and a whole bunch of different TVs for people to use for their leisure. So if you want to follow me, I'll take you to the Harper lobby. So over here we have a little conference room. Here you can use whenever it's free, but if you have a certain event that you need to do, you can also reserve the room there. And right here we have our Harper Wyckoff office. Here are all the mailboxes and things you can do here. When you order a package, you can put in the address of the dorm, and those packages will get stored away in those cabinets there in the back. Other things you can rent out, vacuum cleaners, and even board games here as well. And it's staffed by RAs in the afternoon and evening time. And follow me over this way, I'll show you guys the vending machines and printing. So here we have a few vending machines which you can use to purchase through a portion of your meal plan, and that portion of the meal plan is also the same that you use for printing. You got black and white printers, and these are going to be in every single resident hall and in the library as well. And if you want to follow me down to the lower level, I'll show you the laundry room. This is the laundry room in Harper Hall. Again, not the most glamorous, but something that will be essential if you decide to live here. We have 6 washers and 6 dryers. It might not seem like that many, but personally I've never had a problem finding availability for a washer and dryer. And the way it works, there's no need to bump around with quarters. Instead, you just hit select a washer, tap your ID, and then the washer will start right up, pulling from a portion of your meal plan. From here, we'll head up to the 7th floor and show you my room. So here we are, we're on the 7th floor of Harper Hall. My room's right around the corner, so we'll show you that. So here, my room's gonna be a little different than the traditional room. I'm an RA here in Harper Hall, so I have a single room, so I have all this room all to myself. A couple things to notice, that the ceilings are very high, and the rooms are also kind of narrow. So those are the things that are kind of a little bit different than the other dorms here at Bradley. Things that I brought, I have my couch here, refrigerator, microwave, and TV, so kind of the essentials for living on your own here. So like I said, my room's a little bit different than the traditional room here at Harper Hall. To show you a room with 2 roommates, we'll be showing you Jillian's downstairs on the 2nd floor.
Hi, welcome to Harper, guys. This is my dorm. So as you can see, it looks a little different than Jeremy's dorm. But one thing I love about this is that it actually has a walk-in closet, unlike any of the other residential halls. So if you and your roommate don't know each other that well, you can feel free and comfortable to change in here instead of going all the way to the bathroom. Something I also love about Harper is these super long desks. They also have a lot of storage space above and below, as you can see. Another thing is that I have a lot of clothes. So what's really great about Harper is that all of the drawers are super long, so they can store all of your clothes. A rule of thumb about all of the residential halls is that everything that's wooden comes with the dorm. So as you can see, these drawers, this closet, and all the desk space comes with the dorm. What doesn't is this TV setup right here and the futon. But that's something I also love about living in a dorm, is that you can customize it to however you like. As you can see, I really like the color blue, so it's a common theme around my dorm. Well, I have to head to class now, so I'm gonna leave you guys to it.